Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the first thing to do when you use our software. Let us first install the Power KDP Automation software. So this is our Power KDP Automation software. When it comes to opening a software or any program, most people just double-click on it to open. Let's try this here and see what happens. Put your email address and password and click on Login. So as you can see, when you try to access the software in the first time, you will be faced with this pop-up that says you need to run the software as an administrator. This is just for the first time opening the software. If by any chance you don't get this pop-up or you try to skip this step and you go to the uploading process, this is what will happen. As you can see, you will face an error and the uploading process will not start, no matter how many times you try. This is because the Chromium browser is not installed, and the Run as Administrator step will download the Chromium, which our app uses as a browser, to upload the books to KDP. So all you have to do is, right-click on the app and click on Run as Administrator. As you can see that the download of the Chromium app has started automatically. Leave it until it finishes the download and then you can launch a new upload of books. And there you have it, the uploading process started with no problems. This is all for today's video. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.